What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix GTAV Launcher.exe entry point not found in the Steam and how we can fix this out. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the Windows security. You can search here for the Windows security like this, and the reason is your antivirus might be blocking this. So just go to the protection history, and right now we can see these are some of the available existing files which are blocked right now. So these apps are being completely blocked by the antivirus, so that is why we end up in having this particular trouble. So what we need to do is, in order to fix this issue, we just need to unblock and give the permission for the game file. That's what we have to try. So if you wanted to give the file, just go over here. Sometimes you might be able to see there will be an over here like options like this. For example, imagine this is the respective file which I selected, and all I have to do is just give them the allow on device permission over here, so that what happens is it will be completely unblocked from the antiviruses and you'll not be having the trouble with this particular issue. So this is the first step. Afterwards, we just need to move to the next one. Next one is all about, just go over here, search for the run command, and you have to press enter. And this time we need to go over here, search for appwiz over here .cpl, and you have to press enter. Right now, once you check over here, you can see there is an option called turn Windows features on or off. Just click on this one, and right now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to media features. So if you find the media features, put a check on the media features over here. And if you find the Windows Media Player Legacy, you might be playing this, make sure that you put a check on this particular box as well. And once afterwards, you have to go over here and you have to check with the game. Next one, we need to download one link from the Goldberg emulator. Just open the link which I'll be providing in the video description, and you just need to click on the latest build. So that what happens is it will be completely downloaded, and once it's successfully downloaded, we just need to go to the file explorer, go to the downloads, just find this one, and right now you can see you will be having a folder named steam_API64D2. Copy this particular one, and we need to navigate to the installation folder. So if I check over here on the Steam and go to the Steam, as you can see, if I scroll down, Grand Theft Auto is here. I click over here, go to the manage and click on the browse a local file. And right now, once you go to the browse local file, what happens is you can see you will be redirected to the installation folder. And right now we need to copy and paste the Steam dot over here like this. Just need to copy and paste it. And once successfully done, we just need to go over here and we need to close this and we have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.